Hello and welcome to Coding with Glen, and in this tutorial we're going to be diving deeper into Android development. We're going to just touch up the fundamentals in this module, but even as we grow we'll touch up many advanced things and intermediate things you may need to know, and as well follow the best practices in order to build the right project for the client. And this is the module outline we're going to be looking at. We're going to walk through the installation and walk you through the IDE, how to hover around the IDE. Then we talk about Gradle dependencies, and what you need to know in actual fact, but for this course, before you go any further, you need to know that you need to have an understanding of Java, appreciation of it at least. And then we'll create a project and work with layout and see how many different layouts we have in Android development. And we'll finally create a simple application or taking application of code. It's not gonna be able to store any data as of now because we're just trying to grasp the fundamentals of hovering through the application development criteria. And so we'll talk about localization and internationalization, and finally shared preferences. And so please hold up and join me in the next lecture as we take you through the fundamentals and best practices of Android development.